Hello and welcome. We've now reached the last project of this section where we'll build this temperature converter app. First of all, congratulations on having made it this far. This hasn't been an easy introduction, I'm sure, since we've covered a lot of things in the Android Studio, layouts, the Kotlin programming language, and much more. So let's take a look at the completed app. It's going to have a layout like this with an image, a text input box where you can enter in the temperature you'd like to convert. So I'll click on it and then let's enter in a temperature. And then you can click on either the convert to Celsius button or the convert to Fahrenheit button, depending on what your requirement is. So I'm going to click on to Celsius. And once you do, a friendly message pops up with the converted number. Okay, and we'll build a couple of safety items here, like when you click on the text box, you get a number pad to pop up instead of text, so you don't accidentally enter text. Similarly, if you leave the text box empty and click on any of the buttons, like to Celsius, it says you must enter a value to convert. Similarly, for Fahrenheit, you must enter a value to convert. And those are good safety features to have. And that's it. So first, I'll ask you to take a shot at building this yourself based on what we've covered so far in this section. And remember, Google can be a very useful resource when it comes to looking up code or functionality that you may need as you go forward. But don't worry if you get stuck. We'll get started on the solution to this app in the next video, and we'll probably split it up into 2 to 3 videos, starting with the layout. All right, hope you're excited, and I'll see you in the next video.